Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about lists. When you create content frequently, you're going to need lists. And HTML predefines a number of lists to help you out with this. I'm going to go ahead and drag here an image and where I've listed the types of lists you may need to use, and you can see here we have ordered, unordered, we have list items, we also have a definition of terms. Just to give you an example of a site using this, as you can see here W3C, and you can see here's an unordered list, and down here we have an ordered list. So let's go ahead and write some of these. We'll go ahead and start with our doc type as usual. And it's HTML. Right below that, we're going to create an unordered list, and the tag for that is UL. We're going to go ahead and close with it, and in between we're going to have list items. So this is an LI, and we're going to close that tag. Now let's go ahead and write a list for numbers. 1, 2, let's just do 3. Okay, we'll save it and we'll load the page into the browser. We have a browser here in our right hand side. Let's go ahead and do that. And we can see there that we have 1, 2, 3. It's a list of strings. Now let's go ahead and do something similar, but we will now create an ordered list. Let's go ahead and do that, and for that we do OL. And let's say on this one we want to list car makers. Let's say we have Ford, we have Honda, and we have Toyota. Go ahead and save. Reload the page, and you can see there that we have 4 Honda and Toyota. These can be as long as you want, and you can define them exactly as we've done here. Now let's go ahead and start. Let's go ahead and revisit our list. We've done the top 3. Now we're going to look at our definition list. We will start with DL, simply to denote the definition of that we're using a list of definitions. Then we will use DTs to define the term, and then DDs, as you can see here, the DD tag to provide a description. So let's go ahead and do that. We will start with DL. Go ahead and close the tag. Then we will provide a definition of a term. Just go ahead and do DT. And we'll use HTML. We'll then provide the definition. Let's give ourselves a little bit more space. This will be the hypertext. Markup language. And we will repeat this also for CSS. This is cascading style sheets. Okay, let's go ahead and save and reload our page. And we can see there that we have the term and then we have the term definition. So this is something that, as you'll see, you'll use frequently as you're creating content, as you're creating pages. Go ahead and create an example for yourself. Make sure you can create these, combine them with previous lessons, and create yourself a page so you can exercise the use of these tags. So with that, I'll go ahead and say goodbye.